Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Google Earth website and signing into your Google account. Once signed in, allow location access so the map centers faster. Use the search box to jump to any address or coordinate, then zoom and tilt with the on-screen controls or mouse wheel to get the perspective you need. Make sure to switch between map and 3D views. This first setup gets you into exploration mode and prepares you for adding markers and layers. Now you add and examine content. Open the Layers panel to toggle categories like borders, photos, and 3D buildings so you see context. Create a project to add placemarks, draw lines or polygons, and attach descriptions or images. If you need precise measurements, use the measuring tool for distance and area. Once done, import a KML or KMZ file to merge external data. Make sure to preview in 3D and Street View, where available to verify placement and scale. Finish by saving your project and choosing how to share it. Export as KML/KMZ for others to open, or copy a shareable link for quick viewing. Use presentation mode to walk through placemarks or capture high-resolution screenshots for reports. Make sure to organize layers and rename items before sharing. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, enable WebGL, and update to a current browser version. These fixes resolve most rendering or loading problems, so you can continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.